Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You've opened Botim, now let it access your contacts so the app can find matches. Once done, tap the contacts or the Add Contact icon to start. If you prefer manual entry, choose Add Contact and type the person's full phone number including country code. This ensures delivery. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Botim needs it to check if the number is registered. This first step connects your device address book with Botim's directory, so adding is fast. You're halfway there. Search the list or paste a full phone number to locate the contact. If the person is already on Botim, you'll see them instantly and can tap Add or Start Chat. If not, use Invite to send an SMS or link so they can join. You can also enable sync contacts in settings to keep your address book and Botim aligned. That reduces duplicates. When creating a manual contact, add a clear name and any notes to identify them later. Finish by opening the new contacts chat and sending a quick hello to confirm they receive messages. This verifies both registration and connectivity. Once confirmed, pin or favorite them for fast access and consider creating labels for groups. If messages fail, make sure Botim has contacts permissions, your network is working, and the number includes the correct country code. Then retry or resend the invite. If problems persist, restart the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.